Ikaw?
By my husband, his gift.
Wow.
Siya ang nagpaint.
No, by artists and also photographs. I don't mind. I mean, if I got a body like this, why not? Diba?
Diba?
In 40 years, 50 years, hindi na ganito yung itsura ko.
Ilang artist na exhibit na gano'n, na nude paintings ni Beauty?
That will be inside my room only.
Hindi pinapakita.
Yeah, hindi pinapakita.
Pero ilang artist nang nakakita
ng ano ko?
ng kagandahan mo?
Ng kagandahan ko? Well, secret.
Ano sino bang
sino?
Habang nakanood ka? Talaga. Ba't hindi siya pinagbibili?
Ano pinagbibili?
Yung art na yun.
Yung paintings mo.
Painting.
No, that's my personal and that's my husband's gift. And it's not bastos. It's not bastos. Hindi naman ako nakapost na fuck me eh. It's fuck you eh.
Pero hindi ka na-conscious nung ini-sketch ka?
When you feel conscious, that means you're posing to be fucked. But if you're not conscious, it's fuck you.
It's art.
It's art.
Okay.
I'm not conscious because I know it's art and it's a gift from my husband.
Pero Beauty, mga yan na yung collection ng painting.
Well, if I have to say, then it's not fun anymore.
So, yaman na pala talaga. Sobra,
Hindi naman ako mayaman.
Hindi yung ano niya talaga.
Ano lang talaga, yan lang talaga yung hilig ko. Yung kung iba mahilig sa bag, mahilig ako sa painting. Because for me, paintings are vitals in our life. It's very vital. When you go to the National Museum, when you look at the Spolarium, you feel a lot of things. Diba? So, if you have a house na kahit mura na painting, and if you feel something about it, it gives you substance, diba? It makes you forget about things, makes you write even more. So I think art is something that is vital and it has to be in us, in our lives.
Yun ang happiness mo talaga.
Yeah, because when you buy the bag, wala na. And everybody has it.
Correct.
Why do I wanna have when everybody has?
Everybody has it. Dapat yung sa akin wala.
Hindi siya niwala.
Or
luxury.
Well, I always believe na if I ever have an Hermes bag, I would love it na naman ako from my lola rather than I buy it for myself. Because it has more meaning, it has more special, it has more character. And ang sarap lang talaga when you're surrounded with art. Just go to yung sa National Museum. You get to forget things, you get to feel things, you get to remember about things in your past.
how's your mommy?
My mom, she's doing great. She's still matinik. And matigas. But I love her.
Kwento mo lang kanina kasi medyo late kami, di ba? Parang may something kayo ni mommy.
Yeah, we always have something. It wouldn't be me and her if walang something.
Kahit nang dalaga ka pa.
Yeah.
Mas
okay
matindi
naman.
noon.
Wala. Hayaan mo na. Basta ganun
Ngayon
pa rin.
okay na.
Yeah,
okay na yung ganyan.
Whatever happens, I love her. Kahit ayaw niya akong kausapin, I love her. Mama, I love you. Hindi mo ako mapapaalis.
Pero bakit kaya? Bakit kayo nagkakaroon ng mga...
Well, I don't know. I cannot explain.
Do you feel that you're more or less battered child?
No, hindi naman. Lahat naman kami magkapatid. Hindi lang naman ako. Lahat naman. And there's all reason. Ikaw din naman siguro.
Parang lahat naman napalo.
Parang battered child and battered boyfriend ba? Joke lang. But those are things in the past. Why focus in the past? We'll focus na lang on the future and everything will pass. I mean, this time, I know naman na malakas pa siya eh. You know when malakas pa, wag mo munang patulan. Lalaban pa. Darating din yung time na papagod na rin siya. And, hindi ko na binibilang, hindi ko na nga maalala edad ko rin eh. Basta nandito lang ako para sa kanya.
Pero ngayong Pasko, di ba? Alam mo naman mga Pilipino, pagdating ng Pasko, medyo sentimental tayo, emotional.
Pero kung ayaw naman talaga sa akin, ayaw kong pilitin.
Nagpupunta naman siya eh.
Sorry, alita ko. Yung sa Sagada, bakit Sagada?
Why not? It's so beautiful in Sagada. It's so cold. It's so do you know that every Sunday there, all mga tribes from all over the mountain, they go down in the center and they wear costumes and they sell local stuff.
So ito yung explore mo talaga?
I've been there 3 times already. And I love collecting bolols eh. So I love collecting mga Philippine stuff eh. I wanna conserve these things as much as possible. As long as I can afford.
Beauty week, Christmas na lang. Anong plans for Christmas, wish?
Well, my only wish is to what I said kanina is to continue make memories and not dreams.
So yung photos ni Ellen, IG.
I know. I just saw her after a year. Yeah.
Kumusta siya?
Yeah. No. I just saw her yesterday. Pero after 1 year pa kami bago nagkita.
So nakita kay kahapon.
How is she now?
She's so beautiful.
Sexy pa rin.
Yeah. Nothing
So,
happened.
definitely ka ang ninang.
Oh, yeah, if she likes to.
Bakit she likes to?
I mean, ayoko maging ninang. Lagi kong sinasabi sa lahat ng friends ko, wag niyo akong kuning ninang.
Bakit?
Wala lang, kasi I wanna be a tita. I wanna be a best friend.
Tita.
Ninang kasi parang
Responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility. I wanna be there. Yung barkada mo ko, ninang, kailangan close tayo. Hindi yung, alam mo yon, yung gusto mas barkada. Hindi na uso sa akin yung ninang. Kasal ko nga, wala nga ako ninang.
Talaga ba?
Yeah, si Ellen lang, best friend ko. Two of the most important best friends in our lives. Why do I need a lot of people?
Tama naman. Kanya-kanyang trip naman.
Yeah, kanya-kanya.
Beauty picture lang.
Thank
New
you
Year's
so much.
resolution na lang, last na lang.
Ha?
New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution. Oh my God. Dami mo naman. Meron pa ba?
Nagmagawa ka ba niyan?
Well, sana ano lang. Ano bang New Year's resolution ko? Less drinking.
Naku, huwag mo sasabihin niya.
Ano
Joke lang.
Ay, maganda yung joke lang.
No, kasi let me explain.
Okay,
Masarap
Picture
naman
lang.
kasing uminom.
Kaya nga, huwag mo
eh.
sabihin pag nandyan na.
Picture
With
lang.
friends, mahirap ng
Hindi,
tanggihan.
nakakatawa nga eh. Kasi sabi ko na, I'll stop drinking. Pero you know what? When you have a long day, gusto mo ng a bottle of wine, ganyan. Kaya nga, wala akong New Year's resolution because life is beautiful. Let's just be happy.
Thank you.